fuck are you doing, man? It literally bent. Bad idea. Don't weld the flag to your TRX or it'll bend down.